Let's see one more string method. Okay, so here we will be going to see one concat method of string. Okay, so concat method, what exactly it will be doing is concat method. Concat method will be taking the another string as a parameter, another string as a parameter, and it will return string. The concat method is a non-static method. Concat method is a non-static method. Okay. So concat method, what it will do is it will concatenate the given string at the at the end of end of existing string, which means that we will be adding this string, okay, at the end of the existing string. Let's take an example. Let's say we have a string called hello. Okay, sorry, we have a string called uh, greeting, and the content is hello. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll use concat method, okay, to concatenate this string, and I'll use concat method to concatenate the string, and I'll add the word at the end of this string. Okay, so I'll say greeting greeting dot concat of, and I want to add word. Okay, so this will be concatenated and it will give another string, which is a new string. Okay, so you'll be getting a new string called hello world. There is no space, hello world. Okay, got it? So what do you mean by concat? Concat method is used to concatenate the given string at the end of the existing string. At the end only we will be adding the word, right? Okay, got it? Fine. Let's see a programmatic example on this one. Let me create a class. Concatenate two strings. Concatenate two strings. Concatenate two strings. So I have a string. Let's say message is my string. Good morning is the message. And I want to add some name to the end of this existing string. Okay, let's say message dot concat of, I'll be adding the name. So I'll be adding the name called John. Okay, so this will be concatenated and it will give new string. So it is new string. And let's display the new string. Okay, I am using the Spring Tool Suite, not IntelliJ. Okay, so here new string. Okay, format it. Let's execute this one. Run as Java application. So what it will do? What is the output? It will give good morning, John. Okay, so it is adding the John at the end of the existing string. So John is the given string. We are adding John at the end of the existing string.